Welcome to our refinery. Today, I'll show you exactly how raw sugar is transformed into the pure crystals you use every day. Step.
The raw sugar is dissolved in hot water, creating a dense syrup. This is the first step in separating the pure sucrose from impurities.
Every batch is refined and tested for perfect crystal size and consistency. Every single batch is checked for whiteness, crystal size, and moisture before it's approved for distribution.
And that's how raw sugar is refined in washed, purified, crystallized, and dried temis from start to finish.